So this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. Now, to those of you that are new to this channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So now, with this our Swiss franc JPY, we'll be expecting market to push up one more time. Why are we going to be expecting that bullish move? Is that when you go to your daily time frame, you can clearly see the trend. On our Swiss franc JPY, we are in an uptrend move. So this is our higher high that Swiss franc JPY gained. Then this is our higher low. This is also the higher high, and this is our higher low. Market was able to then push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. So market is currently pushing up till it is able to form a new higher high. So a new higher high is what we are going to be expecting next on our Swiss franc JPY. So with that movement, we should expect market to push up and take out this high completely, right? Now, when you go to your forward time frame, market is literally rallying. So you can clearly see that it is giving us a series of movement to the upside, right? This market has now pulled back to come to this previous higher low level, forming an equal higher low. As you can see, this is the previous higher low level. Now it has come back to the previous higher low level, thereby forming an equal higher low. So with that movement, we'll be expecting market to push up one more time to form a new higher high to take out this side. So a bullish move for the day is what we'll be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY.